Bosch Dishwasher lets you enjoy peaceful quiet in the kitchen without distraction. Each dishwasher is designed with 18 sound-reducing technologies, like 2 layers of insulation, precision spray arms that take aim at dirty dishes and not the tub, and a mesh filter system that quietly eliminates food. It's what you expect from the quietest dishwasher brand in the US. Bosch, invented for life.
Welcome to your Gaggenau dishwasher. It cleans and dries your dishes with exceptional performance, while still protecting your most delicate glass and porcelain. The handless door opens with a gentle push, revealing an interior bathed in perfectly diffused lighting. It features 8 wash programs, optimized to clean all your items safely, quickly, and beautifully. Auto for baked on or hard dried on food, mixed loads, and delicate items. Normal, 1-hour wash. Quick wash for lightly soiled items. Glass care for temperature-sensitive items. Rinse, and 5 additional cycle options. Intensive zone for mixed load. Power. Half load for energy saving when washing less items. Hygiene for high-temperature sanitizing. And extra dry with zeolite for optimal drying results for your dishware and stemware. All modes are at your fingertips and adjusted with the control panel on the interior of the door. Press the info button for detailed information on a specific function or option. Begin by removing large food particles and excessive grease. Pre-rinsing is not recommended, although some items may require pre-treatment. Load dishes in the baskets so that the insides of bowls, pots and pans face downwards. Use the wine glass accessory for stemware and the sterling cassette for sterling silver. 3 positions for the middle rack and full adjustability allow for customizing to daily or unique needs. The smooth gliding racks on ball bearings close softly to prevent damage to your glassware. To add rinse aid, open the dispenser and add liquid rinse until it is filled. It will provide optimal drying results. Be sure not to overfill. To add detergent, open the dispenser and pour. For best results, use powder dishwashing detergent or tabs. Add salt to the dispenser in the base for water softening. It can be adjusted based on water hardness value. Press start and close the dishwasher to begin. Its operation is super quiet, so we discreetly project the remaining time of the program onto the floor. Keep the kitchen at the heart of your home with Home Connect, where you can easily access its user manuals, adjust your appliance settings, and communicate with customer service. The Gaggenau 400 series.
The convenient auto-open function on Miele dishwashers saves time and energy for perfectly dry crockery. Once the wash cycle has finished, the drying process starts with condensation drying. Cool ambient air is drawn in and the moist warm air in the wash chamber is cooled and dehumidified. At the point where the warmed ambient air is discharged, the worktop is pre-warmed and an air cushion is formed. Towards the end of the program, the auto-open function ensures perfect drying. The door opens completely automatically, the cooled wash chamber air flows out, and the air cushion protects the worktop from condensation. The auto-open drying time is perfectly adapted using a sensor-based process. Miele Auto Open. Perfect drying results, even for plastic crockery and glasses.
Afraid to wash delicate stemware or fine china in your dishwasher? With LG Dual Control Cycle, you can clean your delicate dishes while power washing heavy-duty pots and pans with dual zone wash. Powered by the inverter direct drive motor, this option allows you to vary the spray intensity in upper and lower racks. Adjust water jet intensity to clean all types of dishes from fragile glasses to heavy-duty pots in a single load. Loading the dishwasher can sometimes feel like a jigsaw puzzle. Trying to load dishware of different sizes and shapes can be a challenge. With LG dishwashers, load the dishes your way. Folding tines let you fit dishes wherever you want, whether it's a pan on the top rack or a bowl on the bottom. With one touch, you can adjust the height of the upper rack to 3 different levels to accommodate taller items on any rack. The height-adjustable third rack gives you more space for hard-to-fit items, from long flatware to small espresso cups. Enjoy hassle-free loading of all dishware shapes and sizes.